Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a French vanilla chocolate banana cake. That sounds so delicious. We're camping with our friends Kristen and Craig, and French vanilla is one of her favorite cakes. So, as a note to her this weekend, I am making this cake with you. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. We do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. Click that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. If you love these recipes, please subscribe. It's the only way to make this small channel grow. I am ready to cook dessert for this camping trip. Let's make French vanilla chocolate banana cake.
Born over a fault line, bad teeth and worse habits, high heels in a trailer. If you want it, you should have it. Cracking like a glacier, any semblance of restraint. Simple observations of a tired out complaint.
This KitchenAid mixer is the best. USB rechargeable. The link will be in the description below. It's a great camping tool. Hashtag KitchenAid. We're not sponsored. Would love it though.
I get in my own way, I get in my way. Amplifier washes, glass up in the sand, panning through the static for the sound of the friend. Underneath the bleachers, on the fringes of the game, chanting combinations of some tired out complaints. I get in my own way, I get in my own way, I get in my own way. I get in my own way, I get in my own way, I get in my own way. Lucians fill the picture, gossip magazine